Welcome back. In this session today, we will be creating a Facebook page because, as we have already seen, that Facebook page is required for doing any type of advertisement. So, we should know how to create a Facebook page. Many of us have already created, these are very basic steps, but we should know the finer points because when we create on our own, we don't usually explore many of the Facebook things that are provided to us. So in this session, I'll try to discuss one by one many points that are there to be followed while creating a Facebook page. So let us move. First of all, what we need is a Facebook profile. So a Facebook page can only be created when you have a Facebook profile. You should have your own Facebook account that is called Facebook profile. So if you do not have your own account, you should first create a Facebook account of yourself, your Facebook profile, and from there you can then create a Facebook page. In case you do not have a Facebook profile, go on any Facebook and create your Facebook profile, then get along to learn how to create a Facebook page and parameters while creating a Facebook page. What are the things that will be required? A page name. So you have to decide early what will be the page name. Like our Facebook page is software services and solutions by the name of the company. So usually Facebook page is the name of the company or the name of the product that is to be advertised through the Facebook page. So this is important that whenever we are creating a Facebook page, we should decide early what will be the page name. There are ways to change the page name later on also, but it is not a good practice to change the name because once people start to following your page, liking your page, then if you change, then they think that they have liked or followed a certain different page and now they have changed. So it is important that you should always decide early the name of the page. Then there is a category. For every business, Facebook has a list of category. We have to select what category suits us the most. Suppose I'm a marketing professor, so I'll try to type in the category marketing professor. Maybe marketing professor is there in the list, and if it is not in the category list, then what we have to do? We have to select the nearest possible category that matches our profile. So the next thing important is the category. There can be more than one category which are very much similar, like for a dentist, suppose for a dental care, we are creating a page, so we can give dental care, dentist, dentistry, like that. We can select categories. Then there is a description. Description is a short information about the Facebook page. Suppose people want to know the basic thing what this page is about. It is like abstract of a project. So the description needs to be very concise and very up to the mark. Then there are two photos which are required. One is the profile picture and one is the cover photo. So profile picture is usually the logo and the cover photo, we change the cover photo according to the month or according to the product, according to the season. So cover photo can change, but profile picture is usually the logo. It should not change on a frequent basis. So moving on, the easiest way to click on the pages section and then it can lead you to an option where you can create a new page. So here the thing is not very clear. So I'll take you to a tab from where we can uh, see how to create a Facebook page. This is my profile. So I have to enter into the profile. Then see, these are the different options coming here. See more. This here is the pages section. So here there are a few pages which are showing, which I have created. Some of these are the demo pages also. Some of these are the real pages. So now here you can see a create new page option. So I'll click create new page option, and from here we can uh, follow the name of the page, then the category that we have just mentioned, then the description. These are the things that we have just mentioned. And here you can see this is the uh, this is the back cover page, the top page, and this is the profile. So these are the 5 informations that is to be provided, and then you click the create button. So this is how we create a Facebook page. So coming back to our this thing, I've just listed out the name of the page, the category, the description, the profile picture, and the cover photo. Now, since I have shown you where you have to go, so let us proceed. The first parameter that comes by creating a Facebook page is the name of the Facebook page. As I just shown you, the Facebook page name is something that appears at the top of the Facebook page. The most obvious choice while naming a Facebook page is to name it by the brand name that you already have, the company name or the product name you can give to the Facebook page. Then there are certain guidelines for naming your page. You should go to the resource section and get to know more about the do's and don'ts of naming a page. You are launching a brand name called the marketing monk. This is the what we are taking the example. Suppose we are launching a brand name called marketing monk, and that is the name you will be utilizing for your page. So the next parameter by creating Facebook page is the category. Once the name is decided, then comes the category. Facebook allows you to choose up to 3 categories that best describe your business. So this is what you have just seen, uh, the name of the page and then the category. You're launching a brand name called as marketing model, and that is the name you will be utilizing for your page. So the next parameter while creating a Facebook page is category. Facebook allow you to choose up to 3 categories that best describe your business. So you can choose up to 3 categories that best describes your business. As I've just mentioned, like for a dental clinic, we can select dentistry, dental care, dental checkup. The 3 categories which are similar to our brand or our company. The next parameter while creating a Facebook page is the category, and it allows 3 suitable categories that you can select. Now let us consider this. You are a marketing professor, I just mentioned, and when you try to type marketing professor as a category, you will realize Facebook does not recognize it. When you enter marketing professor, it does not show you anything similar. So what we have to do, hence you need to come out with certain alternatives over here. You're going to choose 2 alternatives: digital creator, marketing, and advertising. Uh, these are the terms that will define the Facebook page. The next thing in line is the description. The description is something that appears in the about section. It is like abstract of a project. So this is one place where you can understand what to expect from a business or what kind of content are they're publishing on the regular basis. So if I want to follow a page, I will go to the description to understand what the page is about, what content they'll be posting. So you have to write the content properly. Usually, when we create a page, we take the content from the website. In the about page of the website, we have the description of the company or the product that we have. So from there also you can copy and paste. Now let us consider a tech blog. A tech blogger reviews a product every week. An ideal description of such a blogger would be reviewing a new tech product every week. So this is how we give the description. This description was absolutely crisp and clear and to the point. While writing descriptions, you can keep certain things in mind. You can include your business name along with the certain terms that could be related to your business. So it has to be short, it has to be precise so that people can understand what it is about. Ensure your description is user friendly, because if it is user friendly, it will be definitely Google friendly also, as we have already seen. Because a Facebook page also helps us in getting our website ranked, because we link our website with our Facebook page, and Facebook has a very high DA, so it will help a lot. So if we write the keywords here, that will also help to rank our page, rank our website page also. Keeping these tips, you have created your own description for your page. So guidelines for description is include business name, include terms related to your business. Those are the keywords that you are trying to rank your website for. And it should be, the words should be user friendly. Don't use very tough words which are difficult to understand. Make the sentences very easy to understand. After adding the description, the next element is going to be your profile picture. So you can upload the brand logo as a profile picture, as I've already discussed. In case you have personality, you can add your own picture as a profile picture. Suppose many times we create uh, a Facebook page for celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan have their own Facebook page, then Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, they have their Facebook pages. So in the profile photo, we put the photo of the personality or the celebrity. And if it is a company, then usually we put the logo there. However, there are certain guidelines you need to keep in mind. The profile picture dimensions are different for a mobile and a laptop. So profile picture should be proper so that it appears good on when it is viewed on mobile, and it should also look good when you see it through laptop. Nowadays, most of the internet users are using the Facebook profile from their mobile. So the profile picture should look good on your mobile device as well as the laptop. You need to stay updated with the dimension and accordingly take a call. The dimensions sometimes changes. The best thing is to put a profile picture and then you can view it and see whether it is looking good or not. Otherwise, you can just enlarge the photo, or you can make it a little bit smaller so that it fits best. You can use Canva to also create the image so that it looks good on the profile photo. Avoid changing your profile picture frequently, but you can change your cover photo on a monthly basis, as I discussed earlier also. So profile picture is something that needs to stay there. And the cover photo is changing according to the season, according to the product that is being marketed right now. So it can change. So here's one profile picture of someone that he is going to choose and upload. So if your dimension is fine, your profile picture will definitely fit the circle of the Facebook page. So it should look like this, the marketing long. And you see here, and the photo comes properly. And this is the cover photo that can be changed. The next element after profile picture is the cover photo. The rules and regulations of the cover photo are similar to the profile picture. You should update your cover photo from time to time. It should change. Your profile picture may not change for a longer duration of time. However, your cover photo can change on a monthly basis. Once you upload a cover photo, if the dimensions are a little higher, it can allow you to adjust, drag it, and position. After doing that, you can click on save and you can move on to the next step. So when as I just mentioned regarding the cover photo, suppose we are a training institute, and right, in the coming month, we are starting a new batch on digital marketing. So the cover photo can be for digital marketing. And in summer, suppose we are providing internship for college students. So it can be during summer, it can be summer internships. Suppose Deepavali is coming, so we can have a cover photo for Deepavali, so that people can connect more with the cover photo. But the profile photo is the logo. It should stick there. It should stay for longer duration. Once you add a name, category, profile picture, description, this is how your page will look like. So everything is done. These are the 5 things that are required. So it will look like this. After doing all of this, the first thing that you need to tap is on to create a username. Now, here we have to create a username. So your username needs to be anywhere between 5 character to 50 character. That means it cannot be less than 5 character and it cannot be more than 50 character. So like yeah, our username is software services and solutions. So it comes within 50 letters and it is easy to remember us also, and it also helps to connect properly. Now, you need to keep certain things in your mind. In case your brand is common, you can add certain words like official, real, etc. What happens is, suppose we have a, digital marketing service. So, or the company name is, suppose the company name is Holy Trinity, and find many Holy Trinity, and the Holy Trinity word is not available. So what we can put is Holy Trinity official, or the Holy Trinity, or the real Holy Trinity, so that the main brand name also appears in the username. Another example is Coca-Cola is one brand that is available in multiple countries. It has separate page for United States of America and separate page for India. So the pages are separated. The username is separated. The username looks like, you can see, Coca-Cola India. It is Coca-Cola United States. So two different pages have two different username. Coca-Cola India @ Coca-Cola India @ Coca-Cola United States. Now add a username for your own page. Before you add a username, you can go to this website called namecheck.com. Namecheck.com is a very helpful website. You can use this name check to find domain name for websites. You can use this for Facebook username. You can use this for many other online resources, because this will help you to find out whether that particular name that you're trying to is available or not. Suppose I'm searching for Holy Trinity, and I'll type here Holy Trinity is not available. So it will show that Holy Trinity is not available. So what I will do, I will add Holy Trinity official. So if Holy Trinity official is also not available, so it will show this is not available. So I can check the Holy Trinity. In this way, first I will use this namecheck.com website to find out whether this is this particular username that I'm trying for my Facebook page is available or not. And if it is available, then I can go and add it. If it is available, you can go back to the dashboard and type it out. In case where it's not available, you can type out certain words that could be similar to the username that you desire. In this case, the username of the marketing monk is not available. What you can do is you need to find certain alternative name that would suit the page marketing monk. After adding your desired username, Facebook will prompt you to add certain more details, certain more informations will be required, like the website of the company, the time which the company opens, the day on which the company is open, the day on which the company is closed, the contact number. So these are some basic information that are required. The first detail is a website detail. In case your brand has a website, you can include HTTPS and add the website name. Then while filling up the details of the next step is location. So you can add the location, also city, state, pin code, etc. While adding business hours, as I just mentioned, you can choose hours which the business is operational. Suppose the office is open from 10 to 6 on Monday to Friday. So we can select 10 to 6, and on day we can select Monday to Friday. You can add your mobile number, you can business phone number. While adding a button, you will simply click on follow so that if there is a new user coming on the page, they can simply click on the button follow. Now is the time to invite friends. When you have created the page, so you will like that people start following it. So what you have to do is you have to add friends. So the suggestions will come from Facebook itself, and if you have a profile have 500 or 600 friend or 100 friends, so from those friends you can go on adding, but don't add more than 50 friends one at in one day, because if you go on add more than 50 friends on regular basis, then Facebook may lock your website also. So after doing all of this, you need to invite 10 of your friends. Remember one thing, on a daily basis, you can invite up to 50 people. This is very important because if you go on adding, it may uh, block your page also. Don't use any other hacks, because if Facebook gets to know that you are inviting more than 50 people in a day, that can block you and you won't be able to utilize your page ever. So hence remember this point, you should invite 50 people on a daily basis from your friend list. Once you are done inviting 10 friends from you, all you have to do is to create a welcome post, after which your page will be absolutely ready. So this is how you have to create your Facebook page. And once your Facebook page is done, then we can start posting on your pages. And in the coming sessions, we'll see what are the content formats that we can use for pasting. Thank you.